Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set a round tumbled stone. It has no holes in it and we will set it very easily. Let's begin. The materials needed are 4 lengths of aluminium silver wire 1 millimeter and a carnelian stone and some thin wrapping wire, and that's all you need to make a beautiful pendant. Begin by holding the bundle of 4 wires together, find the middle and leave a gap of 1 centimeter, and then on either side split your wires in 2 and twist them. So you can see I've twisted each side and now hammering the wires flat. Now we're going to open up that middle gap, so it's 2 wires on each side, and just put your pliers in and then pull it apart, and it opens up a lovely gap, and this is where the base of your stone will sit. Setting a round stone is and can be just as easy as setting one with a bit more shape. All you do is find that little point, they all have a little point, put the point through that gap in the middle of the wires and mold the wires up on either side of your stone. The aluminium is so soft that you can do it by hand. Next stage is to split your wires at the top, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and the same at the back. And then bring those 2 wires forward. You can even at this stage plait those 2 in the middle, and it can look nice. I have just folded them across each other. It makes a pretty shape and it's holding in the top of the stone. And you'll do the same thing at the back. Take your 2 wires at the back, fold them across, and then bring them all up to the top so that they are straight above the bottom of the stone. And squeeze them all together, just keeping in mind that you keep them kind of separate but squeezed in. And then I'm taking one of the wires on the far left and using it to wrap around the bundle of all the other wires. Now I'm going to use a 0.3 millimeter thin wire, and I'm going to weave this lovely little opportunity here to make a pretty bail, quite like a fan shape. So this is simply under over, and work your way backwards and forwards and keep on compressing that wire down. So the weave is just as we did when we were children. It's under one wire, over the top of the next, and under the next one. So it's over the top, underneath the next one. And so you keep going until you think you've created a really pretty bail. You can see here that you've made quite a nice little basket weave at the top of the stone. From here we are going to bend all those little extra wires backwards. They form the back of the bail. The front of the bail is this pretty fan shape with the weaving on it. Now you're going to take up that little piece of wire that was left over earlier and wrap it around the back of the bail. It will just hold it all in place. And then a little curl just to finish it off and snug it up against the body. There are lots of little tails left over, and we're going to make full use of those to decorate the top of the pendant. curl the ends and shape them to look pretty. You can even thread a few little beads onto these tails just to enhance the color of the stone. I often add a few little crystal beads, and they just add a little bit of sparkle without overpowering the color of the stone. Now here you can see I'm tightening up all those wires. This is called pulling in to create tension in the wires, which will hold the stone in even better than the way it was. And here I'm just going to finish off the back of the bale, curl all those little ends, make them pretty. This wire is so nice and soft that you can see I'm just tapping it in place with the side of my pliers. Now I'm going to make a bit more tension. This is at the back of the pendant. This will pull in the wire nice and tightly around the stone. Again, that little one's also getting a kink. Little kinks can look pretty too. If you don't kink in the wire like this, the wire could be a little bit loose on your stone. So rather build that into your design. So in no time at all, we have finished our pendant. The time went so quickly, and that has taken only a few minutes to make a lovely setting. Thank you for watching my video, and take great care of yourselves. You are very special. Bye-bye.